Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This video is about creating this beautiful multi-purpose decorative creation that can be used as a corner stand, storage and flower vase. To create this, first of all we need pool noodles, duct tape and basket from the Dollar Tree. Now let's cut this pool noodles into equal halves. After that, measure pool noodles around the basket and make rounds and secure it with duct tape. We need 6 of the circles in order to cover whole basket. Now using hot glue gun, place those circles securely on top of each other to cover the basket. We also need 4 pillars, so we cut 4 equal size and length and stick it to the basket this way at 4 corners. I have used this for painting brush, fox snow and white glue from dollar store to cover. I'm so sorry guys that I could not upload the video of how I glued the fox snow because my daughter deleted it somehow, but I just simply used the brush to apply the glue and pour all the fox snow on top of it, then allowed it to dry. Now let's create this beautiful tray. There we have the final look. I hope you like this creative idea. Please let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next video.